Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Weren't these fabulous? Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here. In a previous video, we made these. And if you missed that video, I will have it linked in the description box below because you don't want to miss this video. It is going to show you an amazing way to make a bifold book box. When you close it, you have such a perfect fold all the way around. So today I'm going to show you how you can take some of the scraps you had left over and turn them into a very unique little card for the inside. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera, give you a closer look, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, so in case you missed it, here is a closer look at those two book boxes. Y'all, they are just absolutely fabulous. They are 6 by 5 by 1, and you have two boxes, one on each side. And I think that these are just so adorable for any season, any reason, anyone. All you have to do is change those papers, and this is an all-occasion gift. So when we made these, it created some scraps. And I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to take those scraps and turn them into something unique and useful. So on the inside, I've made one. I'm going to take it out. We'll go ahead and close this and move it over to the side so that we can now look at this. We have a little card that is 3.5 by 5, and when you open it, you have a nice little sentiment piece here, and then you have a place to write your message. But you also have a place right here to slip in a gift card or some cash, because we are making this using a glassine bag. So when you're done, you can just take this and fold it in, add a strip of tape, and you can give it just like this. Very easy peasy and a wonderful way to use those scraps. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is. I've cut out a few pieces of my scrap, and they're right here, but I haven't cut them all. So I'm going to show you how we can do this. So I'm going to take this glassine bag, and I'm going to fold over to where the two edges meet, but not that flap. And y'all know what? I'm going to see if I can do this without pulling out my scoreboard. Think I can? We'll find out. So then you're going to have a piece like this. I have already cut out two pieces that I'm going to use to cover this. And all you need to do is take your scraps and cut them to fit on top of this. So this is going to be more of a process video because your book box might be a different size. Your glassine bags might be a different size. But I will have the glassine bags that I'm using. I will have those listed in the description box below. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some tape to this. And I'll place that down right there. And here's our front. Let's open it up and we'll work on the inside. So on the inside, I'm just going to take a piece of white paper and I'm going to place it on this piece, just giving it a little bit of a border. So I want to make sure that when I place it down, all of this will fit here. So if you don't feel like pulling out your scoreboard, you can do it like I'm doing it here. Just place it down. I am going to use my scissors and I'm just going to trim. And we'll trim this way. Now we can take this and we can put it right there. That's where we will write our message. So let's add some more tape. Y'all, this is going to be a very, very quick video. So let's go ahead and place this here. So y'all, I am going to just take a cut apart, and we're going to put a cut apart right here. So I'm going to use this as my decorative piece on the inside, and I am not going to put a backer piece on it because we really don't need it. If this was a lighter cut apart on the front, I'd probably back it with a little black border, but we don't need it. So let's place that right there. So now I can take this, and I'm just going to fold it over to get that crease, and I can fold it in here. So on the front, I think I want to go with this one that says "You're the bee's knees," and I am just going to cut it out using my scissors. And this cut apart is one of the 3x4 cut aparts. So I am going to place that right there, but it's a little bit bigger than I want it to be. So I'm going to cut out just a little bit. And y'all, I'm not even using my scoreboard for this. I am just cutting out, and I'll be okay with everything not being perfect. So I'm going to grab a piece of black scrap. We're going to take this piece, and I'm just going to border it like that. So let's just add some tape. I'll take this piece and I'll put it down like this. And then I'll cut out the rest of my border. And now this piece will go right here in the middle. So let's take some more tape. And I will have a link to the glassine bags in the description box for anyone who is interested. But y'all, I thought this was really a cute and quick way to make a unique little card. And so now I have my card. I can open, write my message here, tuck in any cash or cut aparts that I might want to add here, and then we can seal it like this. And I would just take a strip of my double-sided tape. I'll go ahead and just add that so that you'll see what I'm talking about. I can take a strip of my double-sided tape, add that double-sided tape right there, and then when I'm ready to give this to someone, I can just peel away the tape backer, close it, and hand it off, because we have an all-in-one here. We have basically what amounts to a card and an envelope and a gift card holder all in one. So this is a perfect little way to use up some of your scraps, place them in here. You can probably get 4 over here and 4 over here for a total of 8. And y'all, I think that this is an awesome gift idea to give to someone. We can make these sweet little boxes, and then we can fill the boxes with fabulous little cards that they can use to give to someone who might have a special occasion coming up. You can actually make a box like this and then make cards for all occasion in this box, not just to match the color of the box, but you can put in birthday cards, anniversary cards, get well soon cards. So many things that you can do, completely up to you. So I hope that you have enjoyed this quick and easy way that we can take our scraps and turn them into these useful all-in-one gift cards, gift card holder, and envelope. So if you have enjoyed this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.